Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a Duolingo free trial or any subscription. All right, just go ahead and open up your Duolingo app. Now, once you're on your dashboard, just go ahead and locate the profile icon. All right, tap on it. Once done, just go ahead and go to the top right and tap on the cogwheel or the settings icon, which is right here. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now in here, under subscription, you should be able to see your current subscription, all right? It could be the Duolingo free trial or any subscription, all right? Just tap on it, and then it will ask you, why are you canceling your free trial or your current subscription? So what we're going to do is just select a reason. For example, I don't use Duolingo anymore. And once done, just hit on continue. And then it will ask you, going so soon, just go ahead and tap on proceed to cancel. And again, it will prompt you, are you sure you want to cancel? Just go ahead and tap on cancel super or cancel free trial. Now, once done, it will land you to your Google Play Store or your payment method or whatever it is called on your Apple device or iPhone. Just basically tap on cancel subscription, and then it will ask you a question again. What's making you cancel? All right. Before canceling, let us know why you're leaving. Just go ahead and tap on your reason right here, or you can just go ahead and decline to answer, all right? And again, there will be a prompt. Your subscription will be canceled at the end of your billing period, and you won't be charged anymore. After this date, you'll no longer have access to these benefits from Duolingo, all right? Now, once you're really sure, just go ahead and tap on cancel subscription, and you're good to go. And that's basically how we cancel a Duolingo free trial or any subscription. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.